Worried about falling into traps with your roofing insurance claim? We're here to highlight the pitfalls and how to steer clear of them. This is part 5 of 7 on navigating roofing insurance like a pro. Most of the exclusions are code related. Hiring an expert like Sierra Hills Roofing, who is proficient in all the California codes, can help you maximize your claim's value. One myth is that dry rot is something that would be covered by a homeowner's insurance policy. It is not. Dry rot is considered normal wear and tear, and it's actually something that should be fixed by a homeowner prior to an insurance claim ever needing to be opened. The deductible is usually the most surprising element of a roofing claim. In the event that your claim is processed and approved, just know that your deductible will be subtracted from the overall value of the claim, and that is an out-of-pocket expense for homeowners. Understanding how your deductible works and what your deductible actually is can help avoid unnecessary surprises when the claim is resolved. Stay informed and avoid costly mistakes. Follow us for more tips and contact Sierra Hills Roofing for your roofing needs.